Trading days, April 19th, 2015. We'll start with a review of the daily chart for the S&P 500. And if we look at Friday's action, as you know, we've been looking for a move down, so we have one day. We expect more. The move down on Friday put price below both the 15 and 45-day moving averages. In addition, the 15-day moving average never made it up to the 45-day moving average. All this is bearish. We haven't mentioned this for a while, that why the 15 and the 45-day. The 15, these are trading days. 15 is the half cycle to the 6-week cycle that we follow, and the 45-day is the half cycle to the 90-day, or really the nominal 18-week cycle. So that's why we use them. Also note the the two green lines is a symmetrical triangle. And the rule for symmetrical triangles is that we exit the triangle in the same direction that price entered it. In this case, it entered it going up, so if we follow that rule, we would expect price to exit this triangle moving up. Remember, these are all percentages, but that's what they're telling us. This week as well, we had all-time highs in the Russell 2000 and the NYSE, but not the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones. So this is a case of intermarket bearish divergence, where we've made highs in some indicators but not in others. All this pointing to this being a bigger low, so we expect this to continue. We may get a bounce early in the week, but I'm expecting this, generally speaking, to go down. Astrologically wise, the upcoming aspects are a little weaker than what we've been seeing for the last couple of months. We're still in the orb of that Pluto going retrograde. It's still almost stopped. That was on April 16th. And we do have some aspects coming up that are going to hit Pluto. Pluto is also really still in orb with Uranus, that Uranus-Pluto square. They move so slowly that that's going to have an effect for some time. So if I look at next week, April 21st, we've got Mars trining Pluto, and then we've got Mercury on the following day trining Pluto. So Pluto is going to be in the spotlight, and so is Venus. And I made a comment in the notes that Venus is money and Pluto is debt, and that is certainly very true. If we look down the right-hand corner, we're not really changing the estimate for the nominal 18-week cycle trough. However, we may be, I'm looking at more to July at this point, due to other cycles that are going to be hitting. That's all I'm going to say on this one. Thanks very much for listening.